Hey guys, this is Manak and you're watching Civil Bro. So today we are going to do the elevation of these two plans which we have prepared. If you haven't watched the earlier videos, make sure you watch that. Okay. So we will do the elevations and sections and let's see how much we can do. At least one elevation we'll do today. So for doing the elevation, you need both the ground floor and first floor plan and then we'll arrange it into format. So let's just copy this first of all. I'll copy the ground floor plan first, and then we'll go for the first floor elevation as well. Uh, so select it, and then you can just copy. I select it again. We'll copy, and then we'll just put it here. Current layer will make 0. Okay. So now this is here. The plan is here. So we'll draw the elevation. So you use the command Excel enter to just make the lines here. So first of all, we'll go for the elevation. So Excel enter, and then you can use the space button always effectively to make these lines. If any error, you can press Ctrl plus C. Okay. So we can Excel enter. So space command can be used, to repeat that particular command as well as escape from it. So I'm pressing space and then left clicking the I need downwards, space again, and then left clicking downwards. Like this, I can bring it. So it's pretty as quickly as we can. Okay, so here we'll see, we'll give the rolling shutters and doors. So let's make the space for that as well. So here, the one thing is, so this is for the door, and we'll have to take one for the window. So this is the window, and this is for the. You can see the door is starting from the column portion and up to here. So this is for the door. And if you want to give the window a chacha, the top portion of the window can also take the extension of the chacha, right? So like this you can do, and now pretty much this. Let's move forward and make the just work. So we'll draw a line here. This will be our ground floor level. Okay, sorry, down level, and plinth height. We'll take plinth height of 2 feet 6 inches. Okay, so 2 feet 6 inches offset we take from this line. So this is the plinth level, and now you can see here we have a number of steps. You can see, you know, we have this 1, 2, 3. Okay, 10 feet 6 inches is the height of the building. So we have 21 steps, 21 risers, 10 feet 6 inches. So we'll take the 10 feet 6 inches height, offset 10 feet 6. So it's taken from here up to here. And within this, we'll have a, sorry, O enter. Within this, we have a 5-inch RCC roof slab. The above portion we'll do later after taking the X lines from the extensions from the next floor. So let's finish this floor first. We are doing the elevation. You should remember that. So pretty simple. We have done all this, and now we can also mark the lintel level here. Offset O enter 7 feet. This is the lintel level. That is the top level of the doors and the windows. So this level also we have marked from here. Okay. So now, first of all, let's just mark the column portions. So in the front, if you view it from the front, only columns will be visible. The walls will not be visible from here. So the columns will just keep in our mark. So TR enter, and in the older versions we use TR double enter. So we'll free space for the columns here, and also the space in between, that is for this roof slab, and the roof slab will be extended by at least 8 inches. So this is for the rainfall, that the rainfall doesn't come into this windows. So we'll select this, select this, and EX enter, and EX enter. Just select this again, and then you can trim the remaining portions. Trim this here and trim this here, and similarly select this and EX enter, and like this, trim this here and trim this here. Okay, So here you have this trimmed, thing, and the remaining trims. Let's see. Okay, this column portion. You just do this. This will go up to the very ground, and this will also go to the very ground. And we'll have, let's say, we have in the last column here in this portion also. Just create so that we can do the hatching properly for the columns. Okay. So this is once this is done, you can do the your hatchings for the columns. Bottom portion you can delete it anyway. Okay, you can delete it like this, and we'll do the hatching in this portion. Hatching is very important, and the conventions also you have to make sure you follow the proper. So here you have the symbol for concrete. Just take the symbol for concrete and press it. So if you're if this is not coming like this, you can just adjust the hairstyle. You can just reduce or increase it to see the proper. So this is a proper view of the concrete. So I'm good with it. Okay, select this and select. Let me do one thing. We'll select all the columns at once, and I'll also select the you know this floor. Okay, and this portion is remaining. Sorry, and we'll just put it also little bit portion and this portion also. Forgot to be the line. Should have done that. Okay, now it's okay. So this is the portion of the concrete portion. Okay. So now in the bottom floor here we have a door. Remember that here in this portion we have a door after the column on the right side of the column. So in this door we'll always need two steps. So this 2 feet 6 inches. I'll open the calculator so you can see the calculation. Pretty simple calculation here. 2 feet 6 inches means you have 2 into 12, that is your 24 inches, and converting 3 into inches plus 6, that is 30. So 30, if I give a riser of 6 inches, then it will be 5. So 5 steps I have to give of 6 inches. Okay. So offset enter, 6 enter, and then we have this 1 and 2. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 risers we are having here, and the remaining portion we need to obviously need to delete. So this is the recent AutoCAD version. I always tell again, just select this and delete, and you can select this and delete it like this. And for these portions, I will prefer to not to trim because I don't want to interfere the hatch. I just want to just reduce the lines like this. Okay, so these are my steps for the door here. Okay, these are the steps for the doors, and let's see now there will be a kind of, this is a rolling shutter here, and there will be a kind of ramp here because this is a rolling shutter, and there will be kind of ramp for the cars to move in. So we'll do a separate kind of hatch here. Let's see if we have a tile kind of hatch. Okay, any tiles representative in the hatch here. So you know we have gravel that can be used. Yeah, gravel because it represents tiles. Square, we have square that can also be used. So this gravel can be used to represent the flooring here. So I guess yeah, this is also a good representation, this one. So we'll use this, and again, you can see this is blacked out because of this, this point one, and let's do it 100, go above. Okay, okay, you have to increase it, so that is the meaning. So let's do 50. Yeah, okay, 50 is good for it, but I think the gravel will be better thing in this. So we'll go for the gravel here. Yeah, this is better. No, this is not good because it seems like it's rock or something. That previous one was better. Sorry. So we'll do this simply. It's simply within the checker tiles or something. So this is the your ramp here. That represents the ramp, and the remaining part of the elevation. This is the elevation, obviously. This will be masonry work. So we'll do the masonry here, and here. Okay, everything will be masonry. This portion also. So let's just use the trim. TR double enter in the older version. Here single enter in the new version. Trimmed it. and use the hatch. So I'm just focusing so much on the hatch because hatch is very important, more than you know it. So we'll use the sand version here, sand. Okay, not the sand, masonry, because there's no section. You see the masonry here. So brickworks, this seems fine. Okay, so select this, both of this, and then select this, and maybe we'll go 100. So point one. Okay, point one is we're coming to something in point one. So let's go point five. Okay, yeah, coming close. Okay, let's do one. Yeah, one is perfect here. So one looks perfect here. There's a brickwork means we have the steps here. We have a ramp here, and we have brickworks here in this portion. Okay, so we are good here. And now for the next thing, we need the door. So you can take a rectangle here, select a point here, and the bottom portion, select a point like this, and can I've selected this and shift and deselect this, and I'll just move it outwards. Okay, and we'll create the door here. You can just download a CAD block and then scale it according to the size. Or I am showing simple how to make a simple, very simple door. I'm just say clicking this line and joining this line to the middle and taking another line here and middle to middle. I'm just joining a very simple design we'll try to make here. And let me just give a rectangle here. Okay, and to ensure that the rectangle is at the center, you can just move it a little bit further. Okay, this like this. Okay, and then I'll just select this and I'll explode this. Okay, I'll explode this and delete this, and then we'll just do arc here, maybe a 3-point arc, single point, second point and third point, like this, an arc. And just to reduce the radius of the arc to look a bit more proper, like this. Now we'll select this and we'll go here, the option of mirror and erase source object, obviously no, and then we'll select these two, obviously this one, and we'll select this one and we'll mirror them, and erase source object, obviously no, and like this we want these. Okay, we don't want to design like this, we want this exactly to be copied on the bottom. So copy, and we'll select maybe this and we'll select this. So it's selected here. So we are having a single span, the door here. So we'll make the door knob. We'll take a circle, and the door, how notice how it is opening. It's opening like this. So the doorknob will be in this side. Okay, so just make a doorknob and use the hatch. And okay, before using the hatch, you'll use offset to enter, and offset of 2 inches, just to denote the frame here, framework. Okay, so now the coloring is very important. Let me just select here. We'll select solid hatches. We'll not use anything. So we'll use solid hatches. So let's select the near dark color here, or light color, maybe yellow, for this portion. Okay, yellowish color for this portion. Press escape because we want a different color in the. Now we select a near wooden color here, and the near wooden color will be light here. And now in the remaining portions, we can keep them white, or give a light shade of this grayish colors. Okay, now this is the doorknob. Okay. Now this is the door here. In one thing you want to do is make sure you block it. Just select this and re-enter, and door elevation, and just write it here and click on OK. So now this is the block. We can just move it. Okay, it's a pretty decent door. You can download better ones in from the net also. Okay, so this is the door here. We have made this particular door, and similarly we have to uh, make a window. We don't need this now. We can delete this. Okay, so similarly we have to make a window. So we have a window here in this portion. So window, we'll take a rectangle here, and this is a 5 feet window. So we'll do at the rate 5 feet, comma, and let me see what is the given 5 feet lintel level at 3 feet. So it is 4 feet. Okay, 5 feet at the rate 4 feet. Okay, okay. I'm just taking it again. Rectangle at the rate 5 feet, comma 4 feet. So this is the window which is available here. First of all, offset 2 inches for the frame, and then we'll have a three. What is it? Is written here? Anything written? No. Okay, okay. Double leaf wooden. So it's a double leaf wooden window. So it could make a easily three leaf as well, but okay, double leaf is given description. So be it a double leaf window. So this is a window here, and you can have a similar design for the window here. Let's take a line. Okay, let's take a line here to represent the middle portion, and let's take a rectangle thing here, and we just take line up to this much. Okay, just move the line up to this much. Okay, and we'll get the center. So I want to place it at the center here. I'm doing the exact thing, not by an approximation. If we just want to place this rectangle at the center here, make it the center. Nice, exact. So we'll just move it. Find this center, zoom in, and move the center here. And this also, we'll find the center of this portion and move it here. So it is exactly at the center now. Now you can just extend it here and back where it was. Okay. So we have this exactly at the center right now, and this particular design, I can do various kinds of design with it. So I'll do the same thing. I'll just explode it and delete it, and take the arc here, 3 point arc here. One, sorry, I can take it 1, 2, and 3. What happened? Okay, sorry. You just take the 3 point arc, single click, turn off the ortho maybe, double click, and like this. So this is a pretty standard design, and here we'll just try to block it and just type some random things and make it a block here. Okay, so this is it, and then we will maybe make a single this and mirror. Make the ortho, turn the ortho back on, and no, obviously don't want to erase the source object here, and I want to, what I want to do is select this, copy, and move it here. So we have this double span window. Before that, if you want another design, I want kind of a diamond shape in between this. So let me see if it's possible. So I want to take this as my reference line extension, and I want to join it to the middle, and I will take this another reference line. I will take it from here. Okay, and select this, and I want to just mirror it like this. No, obviously, and I'll select this and select this, and I want to join it. Let's see if it's joined. So it is joined now. Now I want to scale it. SC enter. Let's see if I can find the center point. Okay, I'll just scale it to, let's say, 0.8. Okay, and maybe just move it down a bit and move it above a bit. Can have calculated ones also, but I'm just giving it here. Okay, so now exactly you can select this, the down portion. Let me just move it below a bit more. Okay, and then we'll just select this and mirror same portion. No, obviously. So this is a a window here, a standard window. We're having double leaf window here. So again the hatchings here, H enter, and Is there any gap? Okay, select this and we'll do that the yellow. And here the remaining portion we'll do, okay, this things will do as our ash color, and again hatch it, and these remaining things will do the near wooden color. Okay, brown. So this is selected and B enter, and this will be a block window elevation. So this is it, and we'll move it from here. Okay, and select this again, move it from here. This much. Okay, so once this is done, and now we can go for a little charger. So offset, give an offset of let's say 4 inches or 3 inches also sometimes, and give a little offset here, and this portion we will go up to this first. So trim this portion, related remaining portion, and select left escape and select this portion, and also trim the remaining portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion. And now we are having to the concrete here, and select anything, really doesn't matter. Select this MA, enter, match properties, and match the properties here. So it is also thing here, and you know we have we can also give a chaja for this door also. This is the door, and you need opening, but this chaja, it's optional. It can be given. Okay. So if it is given, so in the left side, obviously, okay, I have placed the door in the wrong way. I think it will be here. Oh my God, I've changed the size as well. Okay, let me see, check the size. I think I've changed the size as well. Okay, good. I made a mistake here, but you can learn from this mistake. If you have this kind of block which I've downloaded from the internet and you want to place it, how do you do it? So use the align command. So AL, enter, and specify the first point. So first point is this. Specify the second, first destination point. First destination point is also this. Specify the second source point. Second source point is this. Specify the second destination. Second destination point is this. Press space, and yes, let's see. Okay, now it's aligned. So we can align this like this. So it's also a lesson. Okay, so I was talking about chaja. So in the elevation, obviously, the chaja in the column side will not require in this side. So let's see how much distance we have taken for chaja. I think 8 inches or something. 8 inches, right? So 8 inches only on this side. We'll take a connection 8 for the chaja, and this is the 8 inches for the chaja. And let's go and create a line here. Okay, line here, and 4 inches for the RCC of the chaja, like we've taken into case of, and trim the portions which you really don't need, right? And we escape, and we don't need this really as well. Trim this, and then hatch it. Escape, MA, enter, match property, select this, and select this. Okay, just select this, MA, enter, and then zoom in and select this properly, escape. So you can see the chaja is also done. This portion we don't have any, yeah, we don't have anything. Yeah, we have the rolling shutter. So rolling shutter will also be at the lintel level from this portion here. So it can be up as well. Depends on this, but here we'll give the rolling shutter here. Okay, so let's take a rectangle just to be sure for the rolling shutter, and we'll make an hatch which is the closest to a rolling shutter here. You know, something which denotes waves. Let's see. So exact thing for the rolling shutter here. You can see here, these are the lines. The exact thing we don't have that, but then this is also a kind of rolling shutter which is used in a steel bars. So this can be used. So this represents the rolling shutters here. So rolling shutter in the lintel level, up to the lintel level, and the other portion also. So this is it, and let's see if we have anything else in the. Yeah, what is this? I don't think it's required now. Okay, this one thing was required. Yeah, this was not required, right? Yeah, this was not required, but this portion was required. So let's see how much it goes. It can be, I don't want to use the trim here. Don't want to delete anything. The bottom one, I can just trim it off. Right. Perfect. So the ground floor elevation is now completed, and we'll just look forward to the next floor. So for the next floor, let's see. Everything is completed here. So just select this and delete, and then move on to the next floor. Select this, copy, and just bring them here. See? So the next floor. Now for the next floor, if we need more lines, the column lines, obviously we need the column lines and all. And we have a door here, the same portion. We had door there. So this is new, nothing new. And select this line. Okay, I think we need an X line here. Okay, just select this line and copy. And we have a door here as well. So door here, this is the window chaja, uh, window. Window chaja here, I think we don't really need it because this is balcony here, sorry. So I'll delete it later. Select this and obviously we have the remaining things. Okay, window chaja thing, no need. Balcony is there, so we don't need a chaja here. So we have to correct this in the plan as well. Okay, select this and select this. We don't need these things. So we'll correct this in the plan. I hope this is not a group here. Luckily, okay, just to delete this. We don't need chaja because there is a balcony here. Okay, so this is it, and delete it here as well, but doesn't matter. Some product purposes. Okay. So here we need to do the things same fashion, we would say. So first of all, I'll take an offset of 10 feet and 6 inches, and we'll move an offset from here, obviously, and offset of 5 inches, and then we'll join the lines and join the lines here as well. We're already taken. Now we'll just clear them as well. Clear them for hatching. Okay, so this is cleared. Now, after this is cleared, let's move. So you see you have a door here. We have a door here. Actually, this particular entry will be through this side when we come above here to this side. So this is the staircase. The staircase will come here and they will come from here. So there is no door here actually. There is no door here. There is the door here and here. So the person going above can go like this. So there is no door here. Door is here. So let's place a door here first. So chaja will not be required. Select this, copy, and same door style. Or you can make a different door style if you want. Don't not really necessary. Select this. So this is the door which you have made, and next door which you can give is in this side. So just copy this, and which one is the door? Which one is the door? This portion. So just to move it here. Okay. So just move it here. So there is a thing which I'm seeing, and let's see. Is the door same? Okay, not exact. 3 feet 3 inches. Okay, good. And what is this? 3 feet 1 inch. I made two sides of doors. That's not good. That's not good. I should have. Okay. I see what happened. Actually, due to the column, this I need to make this a little bit this side because due to the column I have to adjust the door position as well. So the door position, exact door position will be starting from here actually 2 inches were taken up by the column. So that's why. That's what was the difference here. So to correct this in the plan as well. Now after the column position, obviously we need to make some, most often need to make some changes. So that's not an issue really. So why I'm correcting this, I don't need to correct in this, I need to correct in the plan because obviously we'll do it in the plan. So it starts from, okay, can I extend this? Select this and EX enter, enter, and let's extend this and delete this kind of, and also delete this. And I'll, okay, I would have extended both of them at the same time, extend and like this. Okay, let me see. So I think this portion is well marked with this portion. I only need to align it. So again, we need to see the action of align command, AL enter. First source point, first destination point, second source point, second destination point, okay, second destination point, enter. Yes, it's done. So again, select this and AL enter. First source point, second source point, second source point, second destination point, enter. Yes. Okay. This was pretty simple, but we have to make some changes in the plan. Yes, we need to do. So here, just move the door from here to from the column. And here as well, make the line from here. This change we need to do, right? Okay, this one change you need to do, and this one is good. This one is good. I think we had a door here, but we didn't give the ground floor. Okay, we need to give that. We'll fix that. Okay, let us do the changes in this one. This is the actual plan actually. Move it because we don't want to make any mistakes in this one. So after the column position, you need to make some minor changes like this. This is common in all the plans which you'll be making. Okay. So yeah, we have a door here, and okay, the door below this is exactly below this particular door. The same door here. So I think we don't need to worry. Just copy this from here to here. Only thing is we also need a chaja. Can we copy this chaja as well? Copy. Good. Why is the lintel level different? That could be an issue. I don't think it should be different. Let's see. 7 feet. Let's check. Line, obviously. This is lintel level. No worries. No worries. Yeah, this is the lintel level. In the chaja, select the chaja, shift and deselect this, and also I'll select this one as well. This should be above this level. Okay, this is the correct level, and select this, AL enter. So first source point, first destination point, second source point, second destination point. Okay, actually we cannot scale it because if you scale this, it will be not be as per to the size here. So we have to actually change it because we scale this, not fit to the size. Okay, let's make a try here. Another try, otherwise we have to SC enter by using scale command. We can. No, oh, I think we should just stick to the proper method. Okay, so this one side is also wrong. This is a little bit less than 7 feet. Okay, so let's correct one of the door, and then we'll be able to paste it everywhere. So select this block and double click on this particular block. Okay, so we have the block here which we need to change. So what we need is need a height of 7 feet, and we need 3 feet 3 inches here. So we need a height of 7 feet. So first of all, just get rid of all the hatching. Okay, let's this we can keep. So this one, let's see, take an offset of 7 feet. Okay, just need to explode this, select this, and EX PLODE, explode, offset 7 feet. This is 7 feet already, I think. So this is 7 feet already. This one already I need to change. So offset of 3 feet 3 inches. So I'm just looking at the perfect position. So that's why if it changes, it comes up to here. Okay, it comes up to here. So first of all, I'll just delete this line. Okay, delete this line and take an offset here of 2 inches. Line, polyline, line. Okay, and do this like this. Do this like this. Use the trim command. Done. Now select all these things. Let's see if we have a center. SC enter. Don't have exact center here, but I'll try just to keep an approximate center here. So I'll try a 0.9, little bit lesser the size. Now just move it downwards. So now I think it's better, right? Design a little bit rightwards. Yeah, done. Now just delete this and complete the hatching. HA enter. This is not pattern, let me solid. Okay, HA enter. This color yellow. Okay, done. And close, save. So now you copy this from here to, still it is not 7, like thing, not 7 feet. Really, how can this happen? Still it is not 7 feet. You need to change it. Okay, it's better. I think I'll make a new one. I don't need to, do it again and again. You can just close the block and it'll make a new block. Okay, so just to make at the rate 3 feet 3 inches. Sorry, let's do it again. At the rate 3 feet 3, comma 7 feet. Okay, make this an offset of 2 inches, and then we'll make a simple line here from here to here, and simple line here from here to here. Okay, I'm just aiming for the perfection. That's why I'm just making the required corrections here, and select this and EX and EX load. Delete this 3-point arc. Turn off the ortho 3-point arc. Right. just copy from here to here, select this two, copy from here to here, select, make a knob, maybe delete this. Okay, so hatch, we'll do a separate design now. Which again, I'm go for lighter yellow. Like again, I will go something like this. No, this is not good. Not perfect. Okay, close it. Still not working. I don't know why. Let's see. This is 7 feet for sure, but this is not 7 feet. Okay, leave this and make this again here. Measure it 3 feet 3 inches. We're making a mistake. Not we, I'm making a mistake, but not don't know what. 3 feet 3, comma 7 feet. So is this 7 feet now? It is 7 feet, right? 2 inches. Right. So one thing you learning here that you all make mistakes. Okay. Select this and explode. So arc 3 point, no ortho. Just make the block. Like this. Copy. Like these two. Copy. Make a doorknob. Just use your hatches. This again. And hatches again. So you might even you also might have an do this kind of mistakes, but you need to have the patience to correct them, and that's very important. Okay, so right now let's make this a block here. We enter and just lock it, and then move it here. Now it's perfect. So we had many attempts, but ultimately we did it. So select this, copy, and copy it to here, right? And copy one, and this one. Okay, this one is not, don't need a chaja. So this chaja also, like this, and move it, right? So this door, and we have another door here. Copy this door from here to this, and once you did it, and then you have also the window here. So for copying the window, let's take a reference from the door for the lintel height. Select this, copy and paste it here. Now you can delete if you have don't have any windows left. We can delete. So this is the window. Okay, another window we have actually. So we have to take another reference from here. Ortho is on, right? Select this, copy, and do it here. So we'll just delete this like this. We have the doors here. Now, since this is the balcony, we can give a kind of a railing here. 2 feet 6 inches height selected for the railing. Like this line. Okay, just select this line, not the hatch line. Yeah, 2 feet 6 inches for the railing, and we give a offset of, let's say, 2 inches for the railing, top railing bar, and this is the top railing bar, and we'll make a block here, and this particular block, uh, select this block A, just click A and use the arrow command path and select this path, and this we have many things here: associative base point, rows, items. Okay, uh, rows, items, align items. Okay, rows. So base point. So here we can change the number of items here. Okay, so items, specify the distance between items along path. So let's give this a distance of 1 feet. Don't want to clutter it. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, so click on escape, and after the array is complete, you can see this is perfect. 1 feet height of this, and looks good, right? The railing portion, and after this railing portion is complete, what you can do, we can also copy this entire railing portion from this floor to the next floor. So just select this and copy this up to the, okay, before doing it next floor, let's have the headroom also. So headroom will be in this portion. Let's make the headroom first. Headroom will be in this portion. So there will be a balcony here as well, and the headroom will be in this portion and on the staircase all. So offset 9 feet for the headroom wall, and take the 9 feet offset, and offset of 5 inches for the headroom slab here, and from here offset of 8 inches for the rain water purposes, and trim the remaining portions. TR, enter, and trim, escape, and then select delete this. Trim this portion here and this one, join this portion. Okay, this portion of for the headroom, trim this portion, and these are the columns here, not required really. I am trim this portion. Okay, now this will the staircase will come up to this much, and the columns are here. These are pretty much it, and the railings will be in the entire portion here. So select this. I think the entire railings have been selected. This one also, and then you can just copy it from here to here like this. So this is copied, and hopefully you don't have anything remaining here. Select this and delete. Select this and delete. So final check, just check anything is missing or not. So obviously the hatching portion, okay, is remaining. You can put this, I think, in a different layer for the hatching to be easier. Okay, so I'm selecting this, and maybe just give a layer of maybe name railings. Okay, railings, and just, okay, just select this, and and select this as well. Put it in the layer of railings. Okay, zero layer is on, and now use lay off and turn it off. Okay, just so that we can check it and give the hatching. So these things obviously we don't need that, and yeah, this also we don't need. I think we missed column here. EX enter and extend this, or else we can just take an offset of the what is the column size here. I think it's what we've taken 1 feet. Okay, so an offset of 1 feet. Okay, so this one also not needed, this one not needed, this one not needed, this one is needed, so shift and deselect this. So now the hatching, HA enter, and okay, just give it a any kind of hatching, doesn't matter. We'll match property it later. Select this, all the concrete portion I'm selecting. Okay, there's a gap. Escape, and then I'll select this and MA enter, and then select this, escape. So the concrete items are done, and now we can go and go lay LAYON lay on. So the railings are back, and after this, your elevation is about to be completed. So when I say about to, I really mean it, because you have the important part of your title box, right? So title box, just copy the title box here. Okay, so I don't hope anything is remaining from here in the title box. So we'll copy the title box here like this. We really don't need this store and window schedule now. Okay, this is page 3. We may make sure to mention the page numbers as well, and then we last at the end of this lecture series, we'll make a printout probably for in the PDF. Okay, so we move this up, and move it in. I think we can also accommodate a section also here. Okay, let's see. So here, actually, this is the ground floor plan, ground floor architecture plan. This should be mentioned here in this particular thing, and move it and do it here. And it should be actually uh, bold and underline. Bold for Control B and underline this. And this particular thing can also scale it if you want. It's no problem in that. Okay, just first of all, I'm just doing this ground floor architecture plan. This is the first floor. Better if you do it in capitals, but now this is already done and not change. But this portion, this thing, copy and move it here. This will be building. So I'll do it in caps. Building front elevation. Remember, elevation can be of side as well. So it's important to mention the front elevation here. So this is a building front elevation. And we can also accommodate maybe a section, building section here. So to give more reference, but now this there is some things remaining in here, and this building front elevation, you have to write it here, right? Again, just type the same thing here, elevation and section. Okay, just I'll do section later because we'll not do it today. Already video is too much large. So here we'll this is by layer. Okay, good. This is also good. We'll take a dotted line. So dotted line, we'll take it here and we'll just turn on the ortho. Little bit this dotted line. Select this, copy. And all the levels we need to represent here. Lintel level, so that the engineer doesn't have any problems in making the execution of this. So there are various ways in which you can do it, levels and all. Easiest way is to just mark it, or else you have a way. I'm just showing it, which you'll see in majority of the drawings. So here it will be mentioned. You can mention GL on the ground level, and then you can mention 0 feet and 0 inches. So this is the standard way of doing things, which you'll see in most of the drawings, and you can also follow this way, and or otherwise you can make mark the dimensions. So this is just the lintel level, or we can GF lintel level, uh, GF lintel level, or you can just say the G dot floor to be more precise with that ground floor lintel level. Okay, so ground floor lintel level is at 7 feet. Sorry, that will be that ground floor lintel level. Don't need to mention 7 feet. It will be just just keep this thing. Okay, why I'm going to tell you. So keep this thing. This will be first of all, we will mention the plinth level here. Keep this here and take an extension. Sometimes extension is a trick. Okay. The key is into click it directly. Okay. So just copy this, and this is the plinth level PL, and this is obviously 2 feet 6 inches, which as we have taken 2 feet and 6 inches. We have taken this, and this is the ground floor lintel level, and you can just mark this dimension here like this. This is 7 feet. Just mark the lintel level, and then this is the ground floor SSL, structural slab level, or the SSL, and the ground floor SSL, and all this also you can mark. So 2 feet 6 inch plus 7 feet. You can mention here. This is the this will be a 9 feet 6 inches, and also for the clarity, you can also have a dimension here as well. Okay, just for the clarification purpose. Okay, for this you can do by layer, right? Clarification purpose, and this will be 10 feet 6 inches plus 12 feet, and it will be 13 feet, right? So 10 feet 6 inch plus 2 feet 6 inch, it's 13 feet 0 inches, right? Ground floor. And then similarly, you can do it for the next thing as well. And so this will be the ground floor parapet level. Okay, this parapet level is 2 feet 6 inches, so it is 15 feet 6 inches. Okay, so the parapet of the first floor. You can also mention for clarity, always do this. Both the things you were doing, giving it no problem. So the next will be obviously lintel level. You don't need to mention, already you mentioned. So this will be the first floor SSL, and this will be 13 feet plus your 10 feet 6 inches. So it will be 14 feet, sorry, 23 feet 6 inches. So just make sure you give a dimension here as well, just to be clear of things. Okay, so then parapet level you can mention or can not mention. Okay, let's mention it in this. Second floor parapet level. So it will be 24, 25 and 26 feet. 0 inches. And this also needs to be mentioned here. This for 9 feet. So it is the headroom level. SSL, and this is actually 23 feet 6 inches plus 9, so it is 32 feet 6 inches. And just mention this as well. Okay, dimensions always bilayer. So now it is clear. So all the heights you can see, these are clear here, and these are cleanly represented in this. And this is the building elevation here, and obviously the section portion is remaining. So now we can, print it. Control plus P, and let's see the print preview, not printed directly. A4 page, Microsoft Print to PDF, and let's take a window of here, this one, and let's see the preview. You print it, okay. So it looks good. You can see, looks good. This is the building elevation, and if you have watched till now, obviously you can subscribe to the channel, and make sure you leave a comment at least, commenting anything about the video, and drop a like. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and it will encourage me to make regular videos. Thank you. Bye bye.